first impression ko po about this program, most especially nung isinin sa amin itong program na ito na darating. So, the seminar na darating. So, na-engage talaga ako kasi it's about AI. Nung nandun na po ako sa mismong seminar, so I find it na very lively. And yung structure talaga, even the speaker itself, talagang meron siyang something na you need to listen. Of course, in the discussion na, yung sa discussion na ng seminar na ito, which is ang dami talaga naming na jot note. I'm never wrong of jotting down notes talaga kasi ang daming natutunan and ang dami talagang na-share sa amin, most especially yung mga discussion kanina, na talagang kahit hindi ka pa entrepreneur kahit estudyante ka pa lang, meron ka ng, alam mo yun, may baon ka na para in the long run, kapag dumating ka na din sa phase kung saan talagang magiging entrepreneur ka na, meron kang baon. Yung seminar na to nakatulong talaga na ma-open yung aming kaisipan about AI and about everything na natutunan doon sa seminar. Ayan po. So, I've learned din doon sa seminar, which is yun nga, yung about sa adaptability, the innovation, and the mindset. So, that three things po na-import sa akin, yung nag-resonate sa akin all throughout the seminar, is, ma-a-apply ko talaga siya in the near future, lalo kapag naging entrepreneur nga. First of all, yung pagiging adaptive natin. Once naging entrepreneur ka na, you really need to apply yung word na adaptability, most especially to changes. Kaya tayo nag-a-adapt is for us to innovate, which is yung second part ng natutunan ko din doon sa seminar. Innovation. Once na nakapag-adapt ka na to changes and you see the problem, magdadrive yun sa'yo Parang magdadrive yun sa'yo na you need to innovate for something. And with that, yung mindset mo talagang na-establish. Yung mindset mo about changes, yung mindset mo about trying again, yung mindset mo about innovation. So that three things, adaptability, the innovation, and the mindset itself is talagang magandang bagay na natutunan namin sa seminar. Yung program to is very lively. So, unlike any other program na napuntahan ko or na na-attendan ko, so this is something na talagang specific yung topic. It's about AI. Kaya sabi ko, ang engaging niya kasi talagang makaka-relate yung mga students about AI. So, this seminar is different from the others in a way na talagang nag-focus sila ito one thing. And also, yung seminar na to, their objective is talagang to educate yung mga student na nandoon sa seminar. It is not something na para lang ipa-aware sila. No, it is something na ini-impart nila doon sa mga estudyante na nakikinig. I wanted to commend talaga yung seminar na ito. Most especially kapag kayo ay mga estudyante and you wanted to learn about entrepreneurship or anything na gusto mong matutunan about innovation and anything such. So siguro ang masasabi ko lang, yung tatlong bagay na natutunan ko, the adaptability, the innovation, and the mindset. So, especially sa amin pong estudyante. Marami sa amin very doubtful sa kinuha nilang program, being entrepreneur. Pero this time, alam niyo yun, yung mga doubts namin sa program na kinuha namin, it all fades away kasi talagang nabigyang part sa amin na there's future in innovation. And also, na mag-deal talaga sa mga seminar na to. Like, mag-join sa mga seminar na to. And kasi marami tayong mapupulot na lesson na madadala talaga natin in the near future.